Hi, good day. This is Alex from Internet Real Secret. In this debate video, I would like to share with you on one of these. This is more like tools. It's a set of tools. I think it's built into a cloud app, right? This is if you take a look into this. Let me show you. It's a multiple stream of tools here. All the features here we have voiceover, video makers, photo designing, graphic creator, ethical generator, and logo maker. Right? So this is a set of tools which is bundled together into one single dashboard or platform, right? Whereby you can actually make use of these tools for the different purpose, right? Okay, before I go to this app, let me quickly also have a look at the sales page here of this to say a little bit of what is it all about. So this product is called a ClipHome income system. So this basically say how you can actually make over 200 orders a day selling one-click high-end product and service from home in the minute, right? So this is the tools are inside the dashboard is actually to help you to make more than $200 a day by selling. You can use the tool to create your product or service from home, right? Graphic design, it could be ethical writings, anything, right? But this is how we do, right? So this is exactly what is inside this ClipHome income, right? So basically this is to prepare you to work from home and make money as working from home without you even have to go to work, right? Okay. So this is basically what it did in this ClipHome income, right? Okay, so this is what it do: generate professional voiceover, create high-end explainer video, beautify ebook article. So all this you can sell it as a services or the other product. Create ebook with a few clicks. Design stunning business logo and spin content automatically. Post button, speech to text transcription, and compose beautiful infographic. Design professional looking e-cover. Okay, freelancers suggest and integrated post button traffic. So all this is actually services you can actually provide to the local businesses, right? And you can as a service in fiber or wherever, right? Okay, let me quickly take you to this member area of this. You can see inside this member area, you can, when you log in here, you can see the voiceover, right? So voiceover, you just click on voiceover, then you can actually input the text to speech, and you can actually say how to make money online, for example. Okay, just tap here, and then you can actually choose a language you want to translate, right? Chinese or whichever, right? Okay, just convert. Okay, so you can just click convert, then the tools will actually do the rest of the work for you. Okay, so it's done already, and you can just download, right? So pretty cool feature, right? So we have also video maker. You can actually make video using this one of this module here, right? You can upload your image, and also you set the effect and the slide text, everything, right? So all this is you can choose like I mentioned on the video and the magnetic like that. Okay, slide and next, right? Okay, so the other thing we have here is photo designing. You can actually add the new photo also, right? Design your photo here. This more like a graphic designer, right? Inside these tools, right? Okay, so next one is an infographic creator, right? Okay, so this can be done using this editor as well, right? So further down we have this article generator. So we can actually auto search the article. So you can show the category research opportunity, for example, like affiliates, and enter a keyword. Say make money, for example, right? Make money online. Okay, spin the content and just click submit. Yeah, so you can get a bunch of article here, right? So you can actually save the result, or okay, you can actually save. Okay, so then you can actually now load. Okay, here, so pretty cool, right? Yeah, so this auto generate the this article by using the article generator, and we have a spinner also, article spinner. Okay, So this can do a spinner here, right? You can copy and paste the article and just do a spinner of the article, so the content will look different from the same article import result, right? Okay, so this pretty cool things on this where you can actually now log article and you have logo makers, sample add logo and things like that. Yeah, you can use this to make logo also, right? So pretty cool, right? Everything is here. So all this is most of the things marketing for marketing purpose of product, a new product launch offer. All this is some of the services you can actually sell to the site. Okay, you have ebook also. You can create an ebook using this. Create an ebook. Yeah. So you can have a run from you my ebooks things like that, and you can have an ebook title, title from ebook cover also you can have it, and you can actually input the text here, okay, or you can actually URL to ebook, okay, so you can actually input any URL and it will become written into the ebook, okay, this is pretty cool, and you can put the affiliate link here also, right, okay, the auto theme, right. What else? What else can you do? They have done for you ebook. Okay, my ebook. This is okay. This way you have created all the ebook, so you can see this some of ebook. They can be created here. You can actually click that button here. Okay. Yeah, you can actually download the ebook here. So it's a PDF, right? Okay. So it's a pretty cool thing. Yeah. So hold on a second. So you can see this is an ebook. You can just use the URL, it turn into an ebook also, right? Pretty cool thing, right? You have other things like file converter. You can convert video to MP3, video to for PDF converter also, doc to PDF, PDF to text, speech to text also, right? Okay. And we have a couple of other things like um, speed to text or multiple stream of income. So this is what is inside here. Okay, this is more like a OTO, right? Okay, this is called the seller lesson. This is so under OTO. This is training resources. So the training is, I think, there's a training module here. So another cool feature is that you can find your job here. I mean to say, this is integrated with Upwork, right? Now, Upwork is one of the freelancers platform similar like Fiverr, right? So you can actually search for any people, any business opportunity. People want to look for any services to design a logo and things like that. The basic logo design, for example, right? Okay, so you can do a search here because it's auto integrated here. Okay, so you don't have to go out. Okay, just through from here. So job finder, we should go and find out. So choose a platform, Upwork. Okay, so I go to the freelancer, you can see logo designer. People looking for logo design service can be found directly from here. Else, you may also can go to Fiverr and look for all this kind of opportunity. Right? So pretty cool things, right? Let's come back to here on this page itself. My review on this ClipHome income system. Overall, it's a rating 10. It's a one-click product collection. There are more than 10 tools in the box have been actually been. You can actually access all these tools within one single platform and one dashboard. LinkedIn is a creator of this product and it started at the $19 and it's going to be launched in next few hours. Right? Okay, so in general, he'll profit more than anyone else. This actually is a toolbox. If all these are really key feature, you can actually create logo, anything content, especially the content article like logo and graphic, video, anything. It can be PDF also. It can be done using these tools, right? So this ClipHome membership, this is a one-time payment. Quick product giveaway and tip manager to build your cash. Okay, so this is a Home Unlimited. This upgrade the member to quick unlimited creation of every feature we have such. Okay, this is unlimited. Okay, version. So you should actually pick up front end and also the OTO upgrade one. Also have a quick home income done from you. Okay, the unlock done from you feature in the software done for your ebook. Done for your freelancers just step by step training and done for you just done but this is an ebook done for you, right? Can be actually all this done from you can be actually been not using this Job Hunter Pro, this upgrade is integrate with more than one platform, and now to Fiverr. So right now the FE only integrate to Upwork. So this is a where you can actually access to Fiverr, also Go and Freelancer and other popular our thousand. You can do a direct search from there, right? Multiple stream of income master the upgrade equipment member with skill to generate more than one stream of income. Basic income masterclass, and we have a ClipHome income reseller. So just pay that 197 going to get a reseller like I said. So personally, strongly suggest you to get this front end and together with this ClipHome Income Unlimited, right? Okay, so that's pretty much how it do. Step 1, step 3, there's only 3 steps to follow, right? Okay, so this is basically some of these possible things can be done. Based on the tools provided, and yes, 10 over 10 is rating. So this I have also prepared a couple of very high quality bonuses, right, in conjunction with the launch of this product, right. First thing first, you're going to get from me, I'm going to show you the tip how to make money with ClipHome income system, right. Okay, so this is a really good income producers, right, and I have actually prepared a very special bonuses to show you how you can actually monetize using this ClipHome income system itself, right. Also, I'm going to give you access to my on-pro IMPLR book, access to now the 6,000 PLR ebook and video. You can actually sell this PLR ebook and video, keep 100% of the profit. Also, I have done for you email money this 50,000 need money on the subscriber to promote any offer, right. So this is ready made make money online. This you can actually log into the Lotto and start promoting them with any offer. Okay, we have a 50k done for you bonus package, right? So you don't have to figure out a way to get bonuses. So I'm here to give you all these bonuses. You can actually give away as a gift to entice your visitor to become your buyer, or we can actually bundle together with your other product. Okay, right. Smarty Builder is a commerce site track sale and is e-commerce site builder, right? Okay, so this is really one of the really high quality cloud app, and we have also 250k funnel builder. This is more like ClickFunnels. So ClickFunnels, you are going to pay $99 per month, but with this funnel kit you don't have to pay anything more, right? So that's best part. So we have also some of our training affiliate training courses here bundle here, right? So this is how to show you how to make 10,000 per month using a very simple business principle. We have a SmartSlide Pro also, 1,600 marketing template, right? You can actually use this marketing template to for whatever dish you want. You can create a presentation slide because you can edit the PowerPoint, and PowerPoint you can export into a PDF, into a video, and you can actually upload this video to YouTube and as a marketing material, as a promotional material also. This is a really really cool feature here. VidSpark is a video creation app for more traffic lead and sales, right? And VidSpark somehow is this is one of the video creation app. Also, BotEngage is a trouble creation app for more traffic lead and sales, right? OutReachr water traffic cloud app, and so this is one of the really cool cloud app, right? In the sense, it actually get you a lot of water traffic by using this app, right? Okay, so we also have step I show is an affiliate store builder. Imagine you can build a store, we putting in all the affiliate inside there, and you can actually have one single store with a multiple affiliate product or digital product. I think you may not know there are 15 traffic source you can make use to promote any offer, right? But this is never been heard before, right? I'm sure most of you never heard of this 15 traffic source, right? So I'm giving to you here as part of this also bonuses, right? 15 training how to make money online without selling exclusive training, and we have journal, TikTok traffic app, and the Instagram traffic app also for TikTok. It is also part of the bundle here, right? So and we have also this 200 special bonus bundle. You click the link here, you will actually have a see here. So you can see these are the bundles of the bonuses. You can get my 3,000 emails, 100 keywords subject headline, complete email marketing video training course, and also there are more than 100 traffic software bundled together. And it's an opt-in and deep manual capture page we have been using, right? So it's also part of this bonus bundle and make money online video training course. And this is some 80 video training course from the previous a product by Jono or by Brandon, the top marketer is also big part of here. So for the price of $19, you're going to get all these bonuses. There's no job here, right? And with just a little money, you're going to get all this bundle from me. And do feel free to serve now. I'm really confident. I'm offering the best bonus with this ClipHome income system, right? And this is a ClipHome income system itself is a high quality product, right? It's no doubt it's a really high quality product, right? Okay, and this we also have I have also be bundled together with my high quality bonus package. I hope you can actually make a lot of money out of this software itself, and together my bonus is going to help you. Also, we have a vendor bonuses that come together as part of this offer. I think do take a look here. I think there are some of the key vendor bonuses you can actually get as part of this purchase, right? Okay. Yep. So the vendor bonuses is also being downloaded from the member area. Okay, that's it for me. Just click the link below this video, and when you come to this review page, just click on this orange button, and you're going to come to this ClipHome system sales page and make a purchase of this system. Or we all these more than 10 profit making tools, right? Yeah, then you are able to get all my bonuses, right? All right, so that's it. My review about this ClipHome income. And do act fast. My bonuses is only limited to the first 12 hours for some of these key bonuses here. This is a big one, right? Nobody is going to give you this, right? So there's a lot of value inside my product to you, right? Okay, so do act fast and have a grab of this, right? Thank you very much. Bye.